Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And guess what? I got another unusual radio from Jeff's collection. Let me move this guy out of the way here. It's the Moon Flash emergency radio. Now, this is the emergency radio back in the 1960s. It's an AM radio with a flashlight. Very unusual looking. Let me open it up here. Original box. And it even came with a schematic on the back of the manual. Okay, let's get it out here. There's the original batteries. Takes two AA and a 9-volt. And there's the original earphones. It was like they never used. And here is, let me get this out of the way. Here is the radio. Got a plastic carrying strap. There's the flashlight. There's the tuning knob. And right here is the button to turn the light on and off. This is the volume on-off for the radio. See what we can get.
Preceding was sponsored by David Parker. Tampa Bay. Genesis Communication Station.
Not bad.
Keeping on the main. Brandon. Tremendous work you're doing on this. We really appreciate it.
Thank you for having me, Ryan.
All right, and that's going to do it for this.
This is a near total ban on abortion. Members of the Satanic Temple
Picking up another number of stations. Okay, we're at the end of the band, going back up or down, I don't know which.
We'll talk to you again.
Tune's real easy.
This village is in Nepal. Police Detective Martin spoke to reporters. A female involved in the altercation entered the... 7 a.m. Tampa.
De casas se entretienen 6 minutes. 770-0980.
Okay, go back off. Now, Jeff has had this completely recapped and recalibrated, and he got the gentleman that worked on it put a brighter bulb in it than the kind that came with it originally. It's in mint condition, and it's built like a flashlight, so you can hold it like a regular flashlight. There's the name right there. Moon Flash. Very, very unusual. I bet there's not too many of these around, especially in this condition. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. And I want you to have a great day. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Bye-bye.